AI is changing the way artists and creators make money. With powerful AI tools, anyone can create stunning digital art, animations, and even music. The best part? You do not need years of experience to start making money. AI simplifies the creative process, allowing you to sell artwork, design products, and build passive income streams. In this video, you will discover 10 ways to make money with AI-generated art and digital creations in 2025. Stay until the end, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more ways to profit from AI. 1. Sell AI-generated art as prints. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL*E allow you to create unique artwork in seconds. You can turn these AI-generated designs into posters, canvas prints, and digital wallpapers. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 let you sell art without handling inventory. Print-on-demand services handle printing, shipping, and customer service for you. The key to success is choosing a niche and creating eye-catching designs that people want. AI-generated art with futuristic, abstract, or fantasy themes tends to sell well. The more high-quality designs you upload, the more you can earn. AI helps you produce art faster, making it easier to scale your business. 2. Design and sell AI-generated logos. Many businesses need logos, and AI can help you create them quickly. AI-powered tools like Looka, Logo AI, and Canva generate professional logos in minutes. You can sell these logos on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs. Another option is to create a digital store selling pre-made logo templates. Small businesses, startups, and content creators are always looking for affordable logo designs. The key is to offer unique, high-quality logos that stand out from free AI-generated options. By combining AI with manual editing, you can create polished designs that attract buyers. 3. Create and sell AI-generated stock photos. Stock photography is a billion-dollar industry, and AI is revolutionizing it. AI tools can generate high-resolution images of landscapes, portraits, and abstract visuals. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy allow you to sell stock photos. AI-generated images fill gaps in traditional photography, especially in niche markets. For example, AI can create futuristic cityscapes, sci-fi backgrounds, or fantasy characters. Businesses, marketers, and content creators are constantly buying stock images. The more images you upload, the higher your chances of making sales. AI allows you to produce thousands of stock images quickly, giving you a massive earning potential. 4. Make money with AI-generated NFTs. The NFT market is still evolving, and AI art is playing a big role. AI allows you to create large NFT collections with unique variations. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation let you sell your AI-generated NFTs. Successful NFT projects often have a theme, storyline, or exclusive benefits for buyers. AI-generated NFTs with unique visual styles and strong branding tend to perform well. Some artists use AI to create one-of-a-kind digital paintings, animations, or collectibles. While the NFT market is competitive, creative AI projects with real value still attract buyers. 5. Sell AI-generated digital products. AI art can be used to create a variety of digital products. You can sell AI-generated coloring books, wallpapers, planners, and printable designs. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Creative Market allow you to list these products for passive income. AI can generate themed illustrations for specific audiences, such as children's books or meditation journals. Digital planners and AI-enhanced templates for social media posts are also in high demand. The key is to create high-quality, useful products that customers will want to buy repeatedly. AI makes it possible to create entire collections of digital products in a short amount of time. 6. Start an AI art subscription service. If you create AI art consistently, you can start a subscription service. Websites like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow you to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. AI-generated art packs, wallpapers, and design assets can be part of your monthly offerings. Many people love getting fresh digital content, especially in specific styles or themes. Some creators offer AI-generated concept art, fantasy illustrations, or futuristic designs. A subscription model creates a steady stream of income instead of relying on one-time sales. If you build a loyal audience, you can turn art into a full-time business. 7. Offer AI-generated social media content. Brands and influencers need eye-catching visuals for their social media. AI can help you create stunning Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and TikTok backgrounds. Websites like Canva and Runway ML allow you to generate high-quality graphics with ease. You can sell pre-made social media templates or offer custom designs as a service. Many businesses pay freelancers to create visually appealing content that stands out. The demand for high-quality digital visuals is growing, making this a profitable AI-powered side hustle. AI helps you work faster, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. 8. Monetize AI-generated animations and videos. AI-powered video tools can help you create animations and motion graphics in minutes. Software like Runway ML and Pika Labs generates AI-driven animations with ease. You can sell short AI-generated videos for ads, YouTube content, or social media posts. Some creators use AI to produce entire animated stories or explainer videos. Businesses and content creators are always looking for engaging video content. By offering AI-generated animations, you can tap into a high-paying digital market. Video content is one of the most in-demand digital products, and AI makes it easier than ever to create. 9. Create and sell AI-generated book covers. Self-published authors need high-quality book covers, and AI can generate them in seconds. AI-powered design tools can create fantasy, sci-fi, thriller, and romance book covers with ease. Websites like 99 Designs, Fiverr, and Bookoverzone allow you to sell these covers. Some designers build entire online stores selling pre-made book covers. Authors want eye-catching designs that help their books stand out, and AI makes it possible to create them fast. A well-designed book cover can sell for anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on the quality. AI helps you scale this business by producing multiple covers in a short time. 10. License AI-generated art for commercial use. Businesses, game developers, and designers often need unique visuals for their projects. AI-generated art can be licensed for commercial use through stock websites or direct sales. You can sell AI-generated assets for video games, graphic novels, or movie production. Many companies look for AI-generated textures, concept art, and background illustrations. The more exclusive and high-quality your artwork is, the more valuable it becomes. Some artists sell AI-generated designs under royalty-free or extended licenses. Licensing AI art creates multiple streams of income while reaching a wide audience. AI art is not just a trend. It is a massive opportunity for digital entrepreneurs. Whether you sell prints, logos, stock photos, or NFTs, AI makes it easier to create and scale. With the right strategy, you can turn AI-generated art into a full-time income stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to make money with AI in 2025.